Sarge, Hitchcock and Scully are out of control. They got into a fight over the ranch dressing, and now it's everywhere.
I figured it out, boy. They've been acting like kids, so I'm gonna treat them like kids.
Ooh, Daddy's gonna dish out some daddy discipline. As a fellow daddy, I approve.
Stop saying daddy.
You got it, Papa Bear.
I actually kind of like that one. Makes me feel strong. Anyway, I'm gonna take away something they love until they stop fighting.
Papa Bear punishment. Daddy-like.
Boyle, you two, up now. I'm taking away the thing you love most in the world, sitting. You'll get your chairs back when you apologize to each other.
Fine. I'm sorry. I ever met you, you bald freak? Don't you push my desk, you basic bitch!
Guys, enough, guys.
Freak, biatch!
Oh, the ranch, it's all over the floor.
No!